Alright, we'll go out and check on the bees, do a little video. Let's see. Oops. Watch. The mob's gonna attack me here. Watch. They'll all come running. Hi, girl. You want to be first, huh? Watch when everybody hears me. There go the squirrels. Oh, where's everybody? Hello? Oh, here they come. Oh, yeah, yeah. They figure there's got to be something good here. Here you go. Oh my. I'm popular now. Yeah. Roosters come to guard this side of his flock, and other roosters over on the other side guarding that side. Oh, not to be left out, the khakis have showed up. Yeah, winter is kind of tough on these two. Not much fluid water available for them to play in, so they just kind of sit around in the sun and hide their feet under their bellies to keep them warm. Wouldn't want webbed feet to get frozen, would you? Here's some if you want it. Chickens, what can you do? They're like velociraptors. They're a good bunch though. I think I'll keep them. It's about the right number. Alright, so it's up to 25 degrees with a 10-mile-an-hour wind. We'll just kind of cruise out here and see how the girls are doing. Huh? Sounds like somebody's laying an egg in there. What? I just put down fresh bedding everywhere, so they're busy rearranging it to their liking. All right. See how the girls are doing. Not surprising, nobody is flying. What's going on, girls? Anybody down there at the lower entrance? Still kicking out sugar. Hello? Hey. I see antennas. Hello. Nobody peeping out their little head. I figured with the warm sun you'd be out on the landing board. Blow some carbon monoxide in there, maybe they'll come out to There they're coming out, the guard bees. So who's out there? Interesting how they lick the entrance. They say it's too cold, Papa. We ain't coming out. It's nice, cozy, warm in here. We got a big old pile of sugar and honey and pollen and all these goodies that we've stored. Oh, look. Yeah, checking me out good, huh? Let's see, get a little more of a better angle here. Yeah. Telling me to leave you alone, huh? Oh, no, I thought I saw antennas at the lower entrance. They like licking the landing board for some reason. Don't understand it. Except maybe it's moisture. They're kind of limited on to how they can get a drink during the winter. So the droplets of moisture that exit freeze on the entrance, maybe how they get their water. They're in the upper chamber there, and that's where all the moisture condenses, and I assume that that's their water supply. Anytime I've pulled the lid off, there's droplets of water that form on the top from their breathing. Alright, I'm going to leave you guys alone. Alright? I don't know if I can get... This video's getting long. I better stop it, huh? Yeah. Somebody. What's going on, girl? Yeah. Alright, 8 minutes. That's enough.